Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this new platform. The platform also has an application as well, but this is just the official website. Okay, so this platform name is 3C Digital. Okay, and what you do on this platform is you buy a product, and then the product is gonna be given out for rent, and on daily basis you're going to be getting a daily return. Like, you're going to be making a particular amount of money daily. Okay, I know this might sound crazy, but I'm going to explain everything to you so you get to understand better. Okay, so before I go deep on this video, I will say, if you're new to this channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button right now. Hit on that subscribe button, and then turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, YouTube get to notify you and tell you that I just dropped a new video, so you can watch and then implement whatever I teach in the video. Okay, right here on my dashboard, you can see I have available balance of 400 naira here. Okay, this platform is actually a new platform that was launched today. Okay, and testing it out, I've invested in the platform already, and without doing anything, I've been able to make up to 400 naira just today. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how the platform works and how you can make money for yourself as well. Okay, so first thing first, I'm just going to click on products and show you what you can do to earn money on this platform. Okay, so these are products you can buy to earn money on this platform. Okay, so let me quickly do this explanation. These products are not something you are going to buy and receive and then sell back. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, right here you can see this product export headset is 3,000 naira. This one right here is 8,000 naira. This one right here is 20,000 naira, and this phone right here is 50,000 naira. Okay, so what this platform does is, when you pay for this headset or the glasses or the wristwatch or the phone or any one you choose to pay for, okay, so when you pay for it, you're going to get your money directly to your dashboard, and then the platform is going to be giving out this product for rent. Okay, like, you're the real owner of the product, but what the platform does is they give it out for rent, and then you're going to be making a particular amount of money daily for from those people who are using the product. Okay, if it might sound confusing right now, but just calm down and make sure you watch this video to the end. You're going to understand me very well. Okay, just make sure you stick to this video. I'm going to show you two ways you can be making money on this platform without doing anything. Okay, so the first one is, let's say you want to buy this headset. You want to pay for this headset, which cost 3,000 naira. You just click on it. Okay, so that was actually what I bought, and it was just today, and I've been able to make a profit of 166 naira already. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, since I've paid for the product, it is mine. Okay, and now I'm not adding, I don't have access to this product, and I'm not using it for anything. Okay, so this platform are going to there are a lot of people who are in need of this particular product. So what this platform does is they give it out for rent to people. Okay, so they give it out for rent to people who are in need of it, so they charge those people, and what you're going to be getting from this particular product you bought per day is 166 naira in a day. Totally, that's what you're going to be making for buying this product. So there you can just make up to 166 naira every day. Okay, so just stick to the video. I'm going to do a short calculation, and the validity is 30 days. After 30 days, this plan is not going to be available anymore. Okay, and one good thing about this website is, once you make up to 1,800 naira, you can actually withdraw your money directly to your bank account, or to your USDT wallet. Okay, so you can withdraw it once it gets up to 1,800 naira. Okay, so for this 3,000 plan, you're going to be making 166 naira per day. So let's check. You can see the instruction from the official website right here. You can see this product can be purchased directly after deposit. Okay, you can purchase multiple different types of products at the same time. However, a product of the same type can only be purchased once. Okay, you can actually purchase that product once, but you can purchase every other one. That's based on your own capacity. Okay, so there are lots of things you can gain from this website. Okay, so let me show you how much you can be earning if you purchase a product that is way higher than this. Okay, so this is where the product links are. So let's say you have 50,000 naira to purchase this phone. So right here you just click on it. So if you should do that, you're going to be earning 2,500 naira per day as profit from purchasing this phone. Okay, you're going to be earning 2,500 naira per day, and the validity period is for 60 days. Okay, so let's do a short calculation right now and see how much is going to be your profit. Okay, so let's say 2,500 times 60, so that's like 150,000 naira in 60 days. And remember, what you invested is 50,000, so in 60 days you're going to be making extra 100,000 for yourself. Okay, and this platform is reliable. Okay, the platform is reliable. It's not a scam website. Okay, it's very reliable. Okay, so I will take you back to the website and show you the second way you can make money before showing you how to create. So the second way you can make money on this platform is by inviting people. Okay, so when you invite people and they use your link to sign up, you're going to be getting 700 naira directly to your dashboard. Okay, and once you get up to 1,800 naira, believe me, you can withdraw your money directly to your bank account. Okay, it doesn't take much time and you can withdraw anytime you like. Only weekend is when withdrawal are not available. Okay, withdrawals are not available on weekends, but from Monday to Friday you can withdraw your money from 10 to 6 p.m. daily. You can actually place a withdrawal and you're still going to get your money. Okay, so for those of you who are interested in starting up on this website, let me show you how you can purchase a product. Okay, so here is how you can purchase a product. Let's say we want to buy this 20,000 naira plan here. So once you just click on it, okay, on this one you're going to be earning 980 naira per day. Okay, so this is actually a cool amount of money. So right here, once you click on it, what you want to do is you click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, they are going to show you how much you're going to pay and how much your daily earning is going to be and how long the deal is going to be valid, and then your total revenue. Okay, so right here you see you'll be investing 20,000 naira, and after 50 days your profit and everything is going to be 49,000 naira. Okay, so once you just do that, you click on confirm purchase. You can see it's telling me insufficient fund right here. So you're first going to deposit to your dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, so once you click on the product, you're going to click on recharge. So after clicking on recharge, you can see options here. They are showing you the minimum amount you can the minimum amount of the products on the platform. Okay, so right here, once you click on recharge, they are going to show you options: bank card A, bank card B, USDT. So you can actually pay using any of these payment gateways here. You can actually use your bank card to make payments. Um you can use USDT. So let's just try the bank card and okay, let me see. So once you just get here, you're just going to select the amount of the deposit you want to make. Right here we wanted to make a deposit of 20,000 naira. I'm just doing this as a tutorial so you can know how to fund your account, okay, and start earning money on daily basis. Right here on this website, you don't have to do any extra work. The platform is going to do the work for you. Okay, so once you just type in the amount you want to deposit, you select the either bank A or bank card B, just click on deposit. You can see it loading. Okay, this is how you can fund your account. Okay, so once you just click on deposit, you're going to see the payment options here. You're going to see bank transfer. You can as well use USSD to do this. Okay, so you just copy the account number. You can use your USSD code to make the transfer, and you can use your bank app as well. Okay, you can see the name here as well, the name of the the company. You can see it here. So once you just complete this, you click on I have made payment. So after doing that, you're just going to see the money on your dashboard, and then your money is going to start reading immediately. Okay, so actually, while I was testing out this website, I made a deposit of 3,000 naira, and I got 300 naira as a welcome bonus after I signed up. And then you can see it's just few hours after I signed up, and you can see I've already made up to 103 naira plus the 300 I have there already. Now you can see available balance is 400 naira, and a new day is counting already. So this is how the platform works. Okay, every single day since I enrolled for the 3,000 naira package, every single day I'm going to be making 166 naira, and once I get up to 1,800 naira, I can withdraw directly to my bank account. Okay, so that is one sweet thing about this website. And once you refer people on this platform, you're going to get up to 700 naira paid to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so guys, if you're interested in investing in this website, make sure you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. Okay, so that you're going to get your bonus. You're not going to miss that bonus, so just use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. Okay, so right now, let me show you how you can create your account. Okay, it's actually a very simple thing to create account. So let me just show you how you can create account. But before then, if this video is sounding like something you like, sounding like something you're interested in, I would say you should hit on that like button right now. Hit on that like button. Okay, just hit that like button, and also go on the comment section, type in make money online. Okay, type in make money online, so YouTube get to show this video to more people who are interested in making money online. Okay, and if you're new on this channel and you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the content I'm going to be dropping sooner. And if you should hit on the subscribe button, also hit on the notification bell as well, so YouTube get to notify you whenever I drop new videos on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to log out now, and I'll show you how you can create your account in just few steps. Okay, so once you just come to the platform, this is what you're going to see. Okay, once you use that link I will be dropping in the description of this video, this is what you're going to see. So right here, you're going to just input your phone number. Right here, you're going to set up a password, and you repeat the password right here again. And this one, you just leave it the way it is. And then the verification code, this is the verification code right here. You're just going to type in the verification code here, and then click on sign up. Okay, it is very, very simple. So once you just follow this step, you're going to be directed to your dashboard immediately, and your account will be funded with 300 naira. Okay, so after that, you can be inviting people to this website to make money for yourself, and as well you can invest and be making daily profit. Okay, so let me show you more plans on the website. There are lots of plans you can actually go for on this website that will be making you huge amount of money. Okay, so let me just click on login, because I already have an account with them, so I'll just log in right now. Okay, you can see the earning is actually increasing. If you noticed, this was not the amount here, while before before I talked about how you can create the account. Okay, you can see it's actually increasing, and this is how the platform works. Okay, so on daily basis, your money will be increasing per hour. Okay, so they increase your earning per hour. Okay, so all you just have to do is just invest on the website, buy any of those products, and the company is going to place it on rent for you. So when they do that, you'll be getting a daily income. So let me show you more. Let me show you more plans you can go for. Okay, so right here is 8,000 naira. Let me show you how much you're going to be earning per day. Okay, so on this 8,000 naira plan, you're going to be earning 380 naira per day, and the validity is for a period of 40 days. So after these 40 days, you can actually enroll for another you can enroll for another plan. Okay, so this one of this okay, let's check this one of 50,000 naira. How much you're going to be making per day is 2,500, and is valid for 60 days. Okay, so let's check more. I just want you to know that this platform is cool and you can actually withdraw, but make sure you don't withdraw something that is going to, sorry, make sure you don't deposit or invest something that is going to affect your business. Okay, make sure you deposit money you can be able to lose, that money you are, that is not too huge for you. Okay, because this is an online platform and you can't just put all your life savings in it, and then, so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so just start with something you know that is very cool with you, something you can be able to invest and get back in return, or something you can be able to lose and it will still not affect you so much. Okay, so let's just make sure you try out this website. Okay, try it out, and whenever I make my withdrawal on this website as well, I'm going to make another video and show you guys the proof of my withdrawal. Okay, so you can just start up with any of these little plans first and test out the website as well, but believe me, this website is actually cool. Okay, the website is cool, but make sure you make your own research as well. Make sure you make your own research, and don't forget to use the link in the description of this video to sign up and follow the process, follow every process I showed you to sign up and to make money on this platform. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.